Guys, here FalconAG1000 and today I'm doing a toy review on the new bright RC Mud Slinger. This is a Jeep car. You can see that's Jeep. That's logo. And yeah, let's go into the cover first so you have more of an idea how this is going to be. So here's a strong bumper. Shockproof. Just tried it right now. Before I was recording, I made sure that it was shockproof. And this might just look like a bit of detail, like on most Jeep cars. It has an extra spare wheel, but this does not mean that this is a spare wheel for this. It's just a big detail thing. But I also found out that this can be the back shockproof. So I ran it into a wall today, and yeah, that's what happened. It just went like that. But anyway, so let's get into here. This green cord right here is the charging cord. You do not need batteries for the car itself, so that's actually really good. You can just plug it into your own USB charging device, anything like that, and it will charge. And now let's look at the wheels. The wheels are brown and has a very good texture to it. It can kind of run on rocks, but not really good. Yeah, it's brown. It's a pretty decent speed. I'll show you when we're doing the test ride. It can go on short grass, so trimmed mode like that, not in long grass. It's not as good. It can go on cement, road, so yeah. Now from the top view, we have seats and everything and that. Now, we flip it on the bottom. It's a basic RC thing. Here's the trim, on and off button, and this is where if you don't want the cord, you can just put it in here, but I'm not going to open it, but yeah. And if you look really closely, that's where single thing. Like I said, it's a very simple RC model. So yeah, now we'll go and look at the remote. The remote is kind of small, so good enough for the hands of 5-6 under. There's two main ways to control it. Here is the throttle and the reverse, and now for the steering. Yeah, other than that, there is nothing else. On the back here, this is where you put your batteries in, and do not, I really mean it, I'm really serious, do not do anything with the screw there that has no connection, nothing at all, that has nothing to do with this cap, okay? So now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and go to the test drive. Oh, one more thing. You can hear the click. I'm going to quickly turn this off. So, yeah, you can hear the click, so it's not like a loose. So if you're accidentally just push the throttle, then you need to use the click in order to go and move. So that's actually kind of relieving for me. Now let me turn this back on. And let me show you how it is on cement. I'm not going to try to waste the battery that much. So yeah. Now let's go outside. It's actually pretty good in the grass. It's actually pretty good in the short grass right now. But if I go into a little bit of longer grass, so actually grass like right here, yeah, you can see how that's not actually really good. So yeah, now when we go to the roads, so yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel.